Fuck me. Oh my god. The past 2 days. So Saturday and Sunday has been fucking insanely busy. God, I had to juggle work with this big ass project that was due tonight. But I finished my homework today, so all's well then well, I guess. Fuck. But holy shit, man. That shit was stress. That shit got me on a ringer. Me when I get scared by a scary monster and writing my stream title. Oh my god. Yeah, I was literally doing my my project just earlier. But I finished everything, I turned it in, so yeah. What am I doing? Game development. Yes, game development. That's what I'm supposed to be doing. Screen title. Okay, bro. Okay. Boo, get him off. Get him off the stream. I'm gonna ban you. No. Okay. Fuck, I am so tired. I don't want to stream right now. But I also want to stream. It's like my body my mind is wanting to stream. My body is like, nah, bro. Okay. Okay, anyway. Sprite. I think it's this one. Yeah, remove this. So I pretty much, okay, I know there's like a few bugs left, but I can't find them at the moment. So whenever I release the update next month, I'll let the bug report do its thing. I got back from my cringe jokes. You need to leave. Alright, so what was I doing? I did write a couple goals on my private Discord. So off stream, fuck. Okay, yeah, fire's effect is kind of fixed. Found a spiked apple. There was that bug with the gravity, but I need to like learn to how to like recreate that problem before I know what to fix. Regarding flare, I added a healing area which heals on damage. What else? What else? What else am I missing? What am I missing? I'm missing something. I know I'm missing something. Okay, hold on. So to do is to make Fauna bounce back after her dash collides with an enemy. I can do that in a bit. I know there's some other stuff that I need to do. Sound effects. Right, sound effects. Okay. One-time audio. Let's see. I think I can write a customized add audio function in here. Face target, mid-air flip, take hitbox out of bound, fug, and audio. Pass, and then I can do sort or src string, I guess, and then I can do R. Not, oh shit. Fuck, that is so loud. That's so loud. I hope that's not too loud for you. I think it is too loud. Move that shit down. It's still a lot loud. Okay, better. Search. Hey, when I leave my loud sound machine on by accident. I think it's just this one. Okay, this one. Aerofly 2. Add audio. String. Yeah. So var one time audio. One time audio. That's my custom object. Equals load one time audio dot not dot gd dot audio. Let's see. Scenes one time audio tree scene dot instantiate. Decorate that. So one time audio dot stream equals src. Load src. I hope that works. One time audio dot global position equals parent body dot global position. Is this sample? It's not sample, is it? I don't think sample is thing. Okay, dot play, I guess. Why not? You're telling me, what do you have web access? What do you mean web access? Like, what web access? Anyway, that should be it. So when I go here, or no, when I go here, I can, yeah, in shoot, I can do insert key, add, no, right, forgot to save that shit. Insert, add audio. Right there. Copy path. Argument. Put it there. Hopefully that works. Shoot. And then I need to do a jump back, which I can do. Shoot. Right here, insert key, add audio, same shit. So jump back, shoot, what's next? Triple shoot, wall slide, triple shoot, insert key, and paste source. Can we play this? No, not this one. This scene. Do you have dyslexia? Genuinely. I have no idea. I never got diagnosed. It's not playing. Why is it not playing? It should be playing. It's probably a position oh right, add. Fuck, I forgot to add. Stupid ass, forgot to add the damn parent body dot add sibling. One time audio. It's not playing. Okay, at least is it at least working? Or print adding audio. It is adding audio. Okay, what about positioning? Hold on. I know I didn't read the chat, but let me do this first before I read the chat. Print one-time audio dot global position. And then parent body dot global position. Let's see. It's the same audio. Do I need to switch this? Jump back. Jump back is not adding. Why? Jump back is not. It's supposed to be adding, but it's not. Jump back. Oh, what? Did I not? Wait, it's right there. Why is it? Let's turn on my fan. The sound of the car running in the back. It's terrifying for you, but I know I redeemed the timer, but also you haven't timed me out yet, so it could happen at any moment. Yeah, I like to keep things surprising. You know, you never know. It could be within the next 10 seconds, or it could be 10 minutes from now. Okay. So something is up. It's not playing. One-time audio. Time filter. Free play. So is it because it's too quiet? What if I print one-time audio dot stream? Some of it plays, but not all of it. That's weird. First of all, shoot and audio special shoot. Like that. Or I'll just add another call method. On Spartan 2D. Add audio. Or maybe not. Maybe I just put this here. What's next? It's just 3 attack. Huh. Okay, it's working. It's just very quiet. Why? maybe I can set. Maybe I can set one-time audio dot volume dot dB plus, I don't know, 9, 6.9. Can I do 6.9 or does it have to be int? I'll do 6.9. Why not? There are noise cancellations, so you can hear the noise of your fan better. Okay, I'll just do 10. Fuck, I'll just do 10. There we go. Alright, let me open up one-time audio because I know how to make a pitch randomizer. Let me see. One-time audio, stream. What is streaming 3? Oops, no. Audio stream. It's not playlist, is it? It's not. Randomizer. You know what? No, I just do it the traditional way. Yeah, I'll just do it the traditional way. It's a little unoptimized, but it works. I don't want to go back and fix this every other fucking problem. One-time audio dot pitch scale, or I don't know, plus ran f range from -1 to 1. That should be it. Now if I play this shit again, it should be randomized. That's not supposed to happen. What the fuck happened there? What? Hold on. Half-Life 2. Oh, maybe it's just like a very small number. Not like some big number. Okay. 0.1, 0.1. I guess I'll do 0.5. No. 0.2. 5. 2.5. There we go. Okay, that's better. Anyway, I think I can also work on. I don't want to work on fauna just yet. Let me eat my ice cream. Okay. Let me look through my old audios to see if there's anything that I can reuse. Sooner audio enemies, enemy take damage, enemy take damage. This is not what I'm looking for. Alright, jump. can do random pitch for the double jump, I guess. Slash. I'm gonna do whoosh. Yeah, why not? Let's do whoosh. Okay, first of all, I need to do one-time audio. Just to check. The pitch. Let me think. I think 1.5 is the best. Maybe. Sure, I guess. How do I do this? I mean, I'm trying to find a professional or efficient way to do this instead of like hard coding everything. I can do dash audio, yeah. Which is pretty much the same shit. Or I can do phone, okay, dash audio. And then I can do dash audio. Floor dash audio equals parent body dot get node dash audio. After that, dash audio dot pitch scale. Oh, first hold on. It's not one-time audio, it's just regular audio. Can I clear this? I can't, I have to make a new audio. Fuck. Okay. Audio stream player 3. Audio stream player. Or audio dash audio. Like that. Whoosh. Actually, since this is hard coded, I can do it like this. push, random pitch, semitone, pitch scale is 0.5. Random pitch semitone is 0.2. That being said, maybe 0.3. 0.5. Okay, yeah, 1.5 is good enough. Audio stream player. That, and then dash audio dot play workup meets. That's loud. I need to lower my own volume. Hold on. I asked you for like 9 audios, and then I ended up using 1. I'll try to find more usage for the other audios. Anyway. Oh my god, New Year's and they have Dolby Atmosphere here and it's generally fucking surreal. I should be buying my new headphones. I think I said it before. Did I say it before? I don't remember. But the headphone I'm wearing right now, one of the earmuffs fell off. And the reason why I'm wearing it is because yeah, I literally just put the earmuff is basically sandwiched between my head and the actual headphone. So it stays on. And I was gonna buy a new headphone, but I was like, you know what? A new headphone is probably like 50 something bucks. Maybe with taxes it's probably like 70. So I think I'll be fine. I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, I guess. Anyway. So dash audio is good. I think I can do shoot, parry, special shoot, special attack, dash to ground, wall, climb wall. Jesus Christ, I didn't think you would do the hydrate redeem. What was I doing? I legit forgot. Fuck. I forgot. Right. Implementing the dash audio, which is climb wall is constantly being called. So I can't do this. I have to actual Alzheimer. Okay, listen. I got a lot of shit going on. I just finished my assignments. I had to juggle between like work, and work was super fucking busy, alright? Work, I had to juggle between work and homework, assignments, project shit. It's a big ass assignment too. Big ass project. It's over, but like my mind is still on battle mode because fucking PTSD or some shit. Shell shock. Okay, so climb wall is constantly being called, which I can't. I can't call on that. Dash to ground. Is dash to ground being called? No, it's not. Climb wall, play dash audio. Fuck. Okay, hold on. I might need a variable. A new variable. Fuck, it's a waste of a line of code, but it's the most simplest. Var dash audio play equals false. So once hold on. One more. Hold on. Did I ever update wall climb count? Wall climb count. One plus one dash around. Okay. Okay. Anyway, one wall. It's gonna go. Shit. Dash audio played equals true, and then dash audio. Phase 2. Hamster genuinely beating my ass. There is no way. I gave you the instruction on how to kill the damn thing, man. It's literally on the first encounter. Okay, to be fair, I had my own trouble with it too, but like, it really is not that hard. Did I balance it before? No, I don't think I balanced. Okay, yeah, I think I balanced it, but I haven't released the update, so you're gonna have to stick with that shit. It's not a nerf necessarily. It's just a balance. Make it a little bit more fair. True, but also skill issue. I need to add big enemies soon, because so far enemy has always been smaller than you, which is very boring. The one big enemy that I have is Hachima, and that's about it. Shit. That's how I go here. That should be it. Oh wait, I haven't reset the play dash audio or dash audio play variable, which I can do that. Phase 2 dashing. No. My mom got me matcha tea, whatever it was, boba tea, matcha flavor, but I was like, nah bro, I'm sick of matcha. But I'm big enemies I can make shockwaves like Noel, right? I should make an enemy like that. I don't know how to open. Okay there. Remember when I wrote that piece of paper online about what to do next? Maybe I should like revise that. So dash or ground dashing is true if else if Actually, parent body where dot is on floor, and then dashing is false. I thought I saw the function dash to ground. So dash to ground, climb wall, else phase 2, CD1, option count, counts. Attack, special attack, parried special shoots, triple shoot, great arrow, face target, that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, I guess it's just parent, so if not landed is true, enter, and true. I can do dash audio played equals false. This is very easy. Wait, this fight is super easy. This is supposed to be the last boss of the chapter. I should make her faster. Yeah, I should make her faster. Most of it just chasing her around the fucking block. It's just, or chasing her around the arena, I guess. I should add hard damage like Ultra Kill so that it limits your max HP, because right now it's very unbalanced. If I do that, I would have to rebalance Hachima, because Hachima deals a lot of damage. Or, you know, you haven't touched flying enemies. I have thought about that. I actually thought about adding that into this level. This, yeah, 1.5. Wait, is this 1.5? It is 1.5, right? Yeah, I have thought about adding a bird into this arena, but I'm not sure if that would be a good idea. And I was gonna ask you on drawing a bird for me, but I don't know the move sets yet, so I didn't ask you to do it. I don't know if the bird should like fly and then like just fucking dives directly from above, downward, vertically, or something else. Maybe like this. Right now, you can always pogo on the fucking enemies, which is very, very... Oh, you know what? Wait! Wait, oh my god, this fucking sprite came in clutch. Wait, okay. Yeah, I was thinking about doing a fucking, I was like, huh, this enemy, you can always pogo on it, and then I just realized I had this fucking animation right here that I haven't used yet. The jump up function, so I can literally just make her jump directly up and then shoot at the player. That's cool. Anyway, okay, I can do that in a bit. Oh my god, I knew it! I fucking knew it! I knew this fucking sprite came in, it's gonna come in handy, but like, I just didn't use it because I haven't found a way to use it. Okay. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. I need to add audios. So, in regards to audio, who's a boss here, or is that not a boss fight? This is a boss fight. I haven't added the health bar yet. Can't do this one. Maybe this one? Let me see. Audio stream player. Honestly, I should. Nah. Like, I can like ask you to like download Godot Engine and then learn how to make. Because I don't want to mix audios, but like I really don't have a choice. Now you're willing to like help me do audio mixing. That would be really pretty. I don't know, I can pay you like $10 or some shit. But I can get you to get on Godot and then learn how to like add nodes and shit. Like, I just only need you to like add one thing here. The audio stream player, which I don't know how to turn this off. The audio stream player, which is this thing right here, and then you can just drag and drop the audio in here and then like do your thing right here. And then when you're done, you just fucking send me. I don't fucking know. What? Yeah, I don't know. Oh no. Jump audio. Jump audio, I'm gonna need that. Jump audio. Landing. You want me to edit the audio? Yeah, but like within game, not like with Audacity. Oh yeah, I don't think you've. Yeah, when you sent me those audios, I had to go back. I had to send those to Audacity, which is the program to use to edit the audio and then cut some stuff and edit some stuff. It's not too major. Jump audio, look at that. I need to make a jump back audio, but I don't know how to do that. Can I reuse some stuff? I don't think so. Rumbling, stone breaking, waterfall, wind. Wood break. That's what I'm looking for. Ah. UI. Nope. Search ring. Maybe. Make the pitch like slower, so 0.75 or some shit. 0.69. Yeah, okay. Jump back audio. I'm gonna have to hard code this, but you know, there's really no other way. Funk. Not dunk. Funk. Jump back audio. Var. Jump back audio. Audios. Restrict player 3D equals body dot get node. Jump back audio. Should be it. Actually, I need that fucking randomizer. Stream and element. Search ring. 10.69. Yep. It's not right, so that's like. $2.667. It's too much. One semitone. 1.5. Yeah, this is what I wanted. This is what I want you to do. Like this type of stuff, the audio mixing. This is what I'm talking about. It's boring stuff. I'd rather outsource my task to someone else, but you know, I don't think you're willing to do it. Alright, Jump back when you wanna play. Jump back on your dot play. It's now. Oh yeah. Like all of that. That's what I want. That's what I wanted you to do. But I never told you, or I never asked you to do it. Alright, now regarding the jump up function. Let me see. I can make it so that... Okay. It does. Player doesn't have to be directly on top. How do you do this? Let's try a pseudocode. Pseudocode. Where can I write this? Special attack. No. Parry. Punk. Jump. Pass. So, if Godot's still downloading. That's crazy. It doesn't take long for Godot to download. It's like less than a gigabyte. That's like it's like 500 megabyte. Just be aware that your layout will be different than mine because I edited my layout, so or my user interface, I guess, because my user interface is something like this. No, not like this. The user interface would be something like this, and I don't like that because I would like have to like click from over here, right, to make sure like I'm having like the correct stuff. And I would have to move over here to fucking look for things that I want to interact with, and I hated that, so I just move everything onto one side. It's so much better. I don't know what's in everyone's mind when they fucking do a two-side tabs. Just put everything on one side, man. Playing on hotspot Wi-Fi with you and otherwise, that's crazy. Understandable. Have a nice day, I guess. Alright, so if player is a certain distance above body, then velocity up. What's next? Jumping is true. If body pause equals player paused, then what? Can I reuse sprite? I want to reuse sprite. Let me see. Does it look awkward? Anyway, you reuse one of my sprite. Shoot. Would this look awkward midair? I'm not too sure. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Fuck it, I'll reuse it. Why not? special attack. Face target emission is true, emission is false. Jump back platform. Heavy shot count is 0. Okay, I'll do heavy shot count is 0 and then heavy shot count equals 0 and then special attack, I guess. Actually, if player or parent body dot player dot global position dot y subtract, it's positive, right? It's supposed to be positive, pretty sure. Position, okay, so it's less. Global position dot y is or minus parent body dot player dot position of y. Hold on. If player is above, so the smaller number is above, bigger number is below, and minus 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 1. Yeah. Okay. 2 minus 1 is positive. Parent minus 1 is greater than 0 or greater than whichever number. How many blocks? 3 blocks? 64, 128. 128. 64 times 196, 192. 4 was 1, it's 192. 192. That's 3 blocks. Else. Jump, I guess. Is that true? For jumping equals true or false. Jumping equals true. If not jumping, then everybody dot velocity dot y plus, I don't know, some random number. For jump power int equals, I don't know, I'll do 500, why not? Plus that's going down, so I have to do minus jump power. Jumping is true. This is center of a body. Yeah, what else we jumping up is true. If parent body dot global position dot y it within minus parent body dot player dot global position dot y is less than absolute value of that. Less than what? 30? 60? One block? Within one block? Half a block, so within 32. Every shot count equals 0. Alright, jump up. It's an idle. Yeah, it's an idle. Shoots. Jump up. What's the condition? Condition. Jump, not jumping, jumping is true. Jumping is true. I think for this one it's heavy shooting, right? Okay. Heavy shooting was true. attacking goes true. Heavy. Shooting and attacking. Do that. And it's gonna go to dash if possible. Oh, music stop. Ah, sorry, I forgot my camera is covered the entire time. Wow. Okay. There you go. My bottle is now not static. Jump, right? Jump. Jump power. Var. Time to dash. Okay. Yeah. Var time to dash. Float equals 1.0. Var max time to dash. Float equals 1.0. Go down. Jump if not jumping. Now if this attacking true. Now if time to dash doesn't equals 0, then the next step would be dash. No, is it dash to ground? How should it? Ooh, okay, wait. If phase 1, then just dash to ground. If phase 2, dash to a wall, I guess. Oh my god, I'm a genius. Genius. You know what I really want to do right now? I want to draw. I want to draw Yuri so bad. I also want to write Yuri. I want, like, I've been talking about opening an AO3 account like the past couple days or the past week or so. It's installed, so you just want me to edit sound, pitch, and stuff. So it sounds right for the game. Yeah. If you know, I don't know. If you have any questions, like ask me, like on how to like import project or export project. I can help you get started. Or you can learn yourself. It's not that hard for me anyway, but for some people it might be different. If statements are so goated. My brother in Christ is all if statement. It's literally all if statement. The entire computer economic and ecosystem has always been built on if statement. Literally 1s and 0 are true and false. It's if true or false. It's not. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, so if if potential, you know, potential, man. We sound you still need change because I saw you doing some earlier. I honestly, I think that's all that there is to it. Well, not all that there is to it. There is a lot more. I can go back and find some. I know there are some sounds that needs to be added, but I can't think off the top of my head. I can send you. Maraga, hell yeah, adapt to Godot! I have been summoned in exchange for your life. I can't think of any audio right now. I know there are some audio that I need to add. I just can't think of any as of now because I'm focusing on the jump function. So if not jumping, else this, so time to dash is less than 0. If not phase 2, pass, else pass, and that's the gist of that. If not phase 2, then dash to ground. I think dash to ground is called in the animation, not the script. 1, 2. Yeah. You know what? Why didn't I fucking do this? Like, the whole track is fucking 1 second. Wait, hold on. Texture. Oh, wait, it depends. It depends. So jump up, dash to ground. No, I need to do this in script. Okay, never mind. I'm stupid. So if not phase 2, dash to ground. Right, and then time till dash equals max time till dash. If not jumping, and then if wait, hold on, jump. Okay. Yeah, at this point you just get used to like the stuff, I guess, inside Godot, and then I can. You know what? Okay, one audio. I have one. Whoa. Yeah, I need your help with this one specific character, and its attacking audio because right now its audio is kinda janky. It doesn't really fit with the character. So I'm gonna have to ask for your help with that one in a bit. Regarding Iris, I guess. The character in question is Iris. Hold on. Jump is not jumping, else this. Time to dash, max time to dash. Fuck me. If idle city jump right. jumping. Yeah, this is constantly needs check. That means if the player is no longer idle city idle. Shit, hold on. I'm thinking way too ahead of myself. I always have this happen. I always true. And not jumping, I guess. Shit. Jump. Not jumping. Rings true. Drop time to dash. Jumping equals false. Huh. Not jumping. And with this, I can do separately if time to dash 0 and this whole thing is greater than 32. So time to dash, and this is greater. So yeah, not 32. That means if you should dash to ground. Hey, hello, Aqua Life. I'm just fucking doing game dev shit. Okay, so if time to dash 0. To the ground, else that, didn't have to dash. L or else time till dash minus delta, which I need delta floats. Which I need jump function to call delta, but use delta. Fuck. Okay. Should be it. So that if not phase 2 dash to ground. L or L if time till dash is greater than 0 and jumping is true. And jumping, I guess. Okay, that's very specific. Jumping equals false. Dash to ground, else climb wall. Climb wall, dash through, climb wall, true. Dash through, dashing is false. Am I missing anything? Walk on counts. 0 walk on counts. Walk line count. +1, that's the dash to ground. Okay. Okay, kind of was 1. That's basically a reset. Welcome counts. Now I'm missing. I know I'm missing something. Dash to wall. Instead of setting this to 0, it's actually supposed to be subtract 1. So wall climb count -1. Okay. And we go to animation tree. Right, I'm not fucking done. Animation tree. So jump up. Go to dash. Given what? Time to dash is 0. Dashing, I guess. Dashing. Yeah, dashing. More slide. Dashing. Okay. Okay, now that's a problem right there. That's what I expected. A bug. Ew, a bug. We're now phase 2, climb wall. So it's climbing wall, that's for sure. Oh, wait. Maybe this. Nope. Okay, let me see. Oh, is it because of the print jumping? True, jumping is true. Fuck, okay. Jumping equals false. Oh. Is this statement here? That's the problem. Or maybe not. We do current climbing wall. So that includes 32. God, fuck, wrong side of symbol. tired as shit. Hold on, short break. I wanna fucking go on Twitter for some Yuri art. Fuck. Fire, Yuri, I'll loom into you! Wow! Oh, how to animate flowing hair! I want to see this shit. Hold on, I'm gonna save this shit before I continue working. I'm being distracted again. Art channel, art stuff. There we go. Okay. Oh shit, Nikki has some amazing character coming out. That's crazy. What the fuck? Sora and Bloomer. Arcana in school uniform. Oh my god. Holy shit. Break's over. So, it's not printing. What is not printing? It's not printing climbing wall. That means it's not even this. That means it's within this, right? Jumping and body dot is on floor, maybe that, and then print less than 32. Still printing true. Time 2 dash minus delta. I can do print absolute value or whatever fuck this is. Oh. It's not even subtracting. What? Alright, you know what? It's because the jump function immediately cuts off once idle is off. Yeah. Okay, so if idle and city is this and this, less than 192. Absolute value, actually. And that, else, or else if pass. Absolute value of this. This, then jump. If cd is less than equals 0, and this, then jump. Okay. Okay. Look, it's jumping. Print jumping. Bound, remove that. One time I'll just remove that. $400 lines, Jesus fucking Christ. I didn't expect it to be this big. Okay. That's the 192. Great. It's supposed to be greater than 192. I'll do greater, and I'll remove the absolute values so that there's no confusion. Greater is below, then it does this. If this, then if idle. This else if. And jumping. Okay, jumping. One might be too much. Zero 0.5. Okay. Ah, shit. Just gonna debug. Just do a little bit of debug. Heavy shooting. Heavy shot count. 0 plus 1 special attack freeze target. Ah. True. There. I'm already done. Actually, no, I should do that outside. No, inside. Dot. Affected by that was false. Huh. So, okay, so it's clearly jumping. So 0, if not, place it on the floor. Oh, if this happens, heavy shot count, heavy shot true. Then what? Print. Jumping. So yes, this function works. Then goals here, jumping, body on floor, and body. I'll do 64 for this one. Give it a little more leeway. shooting right. And not attacking. And not heavy shooting. Okay, that's what I'm missing. And it does all this. I guess I can do another L if dash to ground. So it goes all the way to this to subtract this, and then if no, first it's gonna call this, then jump through, then it's gonna go all the way down here. I should probably move this up. Yeah, so if jumping off floor, then jumping is true. And then once it's jumping, then it's gonna move to the next statement. So if time to dash is greater than 0 and jumping, then subtract that. After that, it's gonna decide L if time. No. Time to dash. No, I should move this above this. Yeah, in the order. So jump, and then if it's within Y range, then do all of this, and then time till dash equals 0. And then next, okay, if it's not within range, it's gonna keep subtracting. Wait. Wait, I was right the first. Oh my god, I was right the first time. Fuck. I should. Okay. I was fucking right the first time. Jesus. I was right the first time. That is so stupid. Okay. Yeah, jump, then jumps through, and after this, it's gonna do. Yeah, it was within range, then it's gonna shoot immediately. And it's gonna time to dash equals 0, and it's gonna call another one if it's yeah, it's gonna move to the next one. L if less than equals 0, and this, then dash to ground. Heavy shot. Wait. No. After heavy shots, what does it do? Problem solving. I kind of enjoyed it, actually. Let me see. So, okay, it was within range and what? And not attacking, then attacking is true after that. Special attack. Tree. Jump up, shoot. Shooting, attacking, heavy shooting, attacking, which is gonna shoot. Which in the shoot function is gonna call this one is no longer idle. It's just gonna keep going here. Okay. The graph. And no, wait. Jump. It's gonna call this. Jumping should be within this area. Whew. CDS less than 0. That. Okay. So it's no longer idle. It's going to call it this. Speed is less than 0. It's going to do call this. After jumping this true, it's going to call this. Not attacking, not heavy shooting, then these are true. After that, time to dash. Parent on dot affected by grapples. False. Time to dash this equals 0, then and the range is greater than that. If the range is greater than 64 block. And either dash, if not face 2, then dash to ground. Okay. Dash to ground. It jumps no matter what. Why? Shouldn't do that. If I don't know. Jumping false, if not jumping. Jumping the ball is false. What do we need to do? Right, that's does just keep calling you jump. Not jumping parent bodies on the floor. And what? And players above, so parent fired up. Player.global position dot y. Parent body dot global position dot y minus this greater than 30, greater than 64, greater than 190. Okay. 192. Parent body velocity, jump power, jump stroke. CD is less than 0. Fuck. Oh, fuck me. Wait. This is harder than I expected. City equals 0.75, I guess. Maybe this. Missing something. Fucking hell, 421 lines of gold. If jump. Elif. Place on floor. 4. You're into. It's not. See, okay, it's not. So Elif. Greater than 64. Not attacking, not heavy shooting. That's not it. It's time to dash. Elzif. Hold on. It did jump. Not jump account on the floor and plus greater than. Or do Maybe I will remove that, so I don't have to worry about city. I imagine this is very productive to you. This is peak productivity, I guess. I don't even know anymore. Not jumping, but everybody is on floor. Hydrate and stretch. Fun. Locked in, yeah. UE 128. Jump power. Jump. Delta. Print. City, I guess. Let me try something. Okay, so that works. And then after that, so it calls, okay. So it calls the jump, which is good. That's what it's doing. After that, what? After that, what? Else print none. Huh. That means one of these is true. I think print time 2 dash. It's not this. Oh, it's not even calling a jump function. What? What's the requirement? Cycle. Print city. 0.75. City equals 0.75. 0.75. There's only 2 instances, so cycle and jump. Jumping is true. It's still printing 0.75. It shouldn't do that. Here. So it's not printing hot wall, that's fine. Time to dash minus delta. It's not even doing a time to dash. Why is it not? Greater than 64. Time to dash. I'm being a little stupid, hold on. Wait. This is basic coding. Why am I failing at this? So this function is fine. Or this block of if is fine. After that, what does it do? It's not jumping. Jumping is true. After that, it should be checking for player Y. Across all your file, how many lines of code? 100. In the thousands. I'm gonna assume... Okay, let's see how many scripts I have. Let's just count my scripts alone. Scripts, I have... a lot. I have a lot. Oh, I have a lot of scripts. Some of these are like 20, some of these are like 33, some of these are like 100 something. Let's just average like 100 because there are some files that's like 400 lines long, so let's just average everything out to like 100. I don't even know. It's in the thousands, that's for sure. Maybe mid-thousands. Maybe not close to 10,000, but probably somewhere in the mid-thousands. Anyway, what was I doing? Here. Okay, so this function is done. After that, it should check for player position. If it's less than or equal to 64, it does that. Where did I remove the absolute value and just get the raw number? Change of y, so 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. Yeah, you're not attacking, not shooting. This function doesn't apply yet. Time to dash. What if I remove this? It does jump. What go to share myself. God bless the modding community. Let me guess. You're gonna try to decompile. You're gonna try to decompile my game code. I tried. It doesn't work. It only gets the pictures, not the actual code. That's no fun. I tried because there was one time where I had the great burning of the Alexandria library moment where my computer got fucking wiped and I didn't back up my game for 2 months, so I lost 2 months of progress. But hey, at least my art style got updated, kinda. So there's that. I mean, you can try, be my guest, but I'm just telling you that it didn't work for me, so. And I did extensive research on that, but maybe I'm stupid. Who knows? So if jumping, right? It only calls the jump function for a brief moment though, so. C says 0. There's no way idle is the problem. Not jumping, it's jumping. It's the 128. I'll lower that just for that. So lower, so for your 128. Else is less than 128, that means it's further, that means can jump. I would say this for route true, jump. City. Ah, I see the problem. So city, I can't set this yet. Okay, I see the problem. City is going after that. It's going to check this. I guess city can be here. City equals 0.75. Perhaps. Oh, wait. I'm gonna try 196 again. Or 192. Okay. 9718, I'm not counting the GED UI files. Lines of code? How do you do that? Okay, time to dash. I'm gonna set that to .1. Or I'll set that to 1. Just decomp the game, then roll the simple. That's crazy. The power of furries, I guess. Okay. Time till max time. Time till tile dash? Time till dash. Max time till dash. That's a fucking typo right there. Hey, how do you know you're furry? You told me once. Computer science nerd, I guess. I know you're a computer science nerd. Computer science nerd and furry goes hand in hand. I know you. I know your kind. My racism is tingling, I guess. Probably Polish too. Oh, you're fucking Polish. Oh yeah, that explains a lot. What time is it in Poland? I'm doxing your nationality. No, I won't. Let's just a little fun. Just for fun. Polish or Poland time now. 7:04. You are Polish. Am I a South African? God, I hate it here. That's crazy. How do you fucking use Linux since 9? That's gotta be a lie. I was a gifted child when I was 9. Okay, maybe that's not far-fetched. Maybe it's not that far-fetched, but you know, I feel like that's still unbelievable. I was just built different, the same, I guess. Yeah, that's why I took it back. It's not impossible, I guess. Okay, so why is print 14 print time to dash and jumping false. No, time to dash is less than equal to 0. Jumping false. This function is true, that's for sure. Now, time to dash, city, jumping. What if I just don't do that? Hold on. Maybe I can up the jump power a bit. Jump power, set it to like 690 because it's fun. Yeah. Also, if I use Cloud to get more accurate result, there are actually 75219 to code, not counting blank lines. Okay. It also says there are 0 comments, so I think it doesn't support GD script. Okay. Yeah, I have a few comments. Some blocks, there are some part of some certain scripts where there's just a block of text, I guess. That's just useless. It doesn't say anything. I just keep it there for safekeeping, I guess. I don't know. Okay, flare enemy. Jump. So this works, and this works. Right. Little dash audio. We're at 11:08. I want to fix this before I go. Please. Jump back, dash. Climb wall. Wall, dash round. If phase 2 city dots. City equals 0.75. City is 0.1, 0.75 is immediately, okay. Immediately after jump back, climb wall, and special attack. Okay, so in jump, it's gonna do a city was 0.75, but if I remember correctly, it doesn't do that. Oh, what the fucking double jump? That's not supposed to happen. Why do you have a file called HoloKiddo icon and a call HoloKiddo the icon square? Both the same image. It's old stuff. I haven't deleted it. Why does it double jump? That shouldn't happen. Why is a bush item the only... Listen, when I started out, everything is very unorganized. So it's best not to question it because the answer is the same thing. It's either I don't know or... Yeah, actually most of the answer is I don't know. Or some rather arbitrary answer. That's like not very specific, I guess. So jump. Okay, so dash around, not jump. Why does it do twice? That shouldn't be happening. Not jumping. Pass. This shouldn't happen. Why is this? You use space in your folder name. I disapprove. Most of the time, it's uppercase. Yeah, most of the time it's uppercase, and then there are some files that's just, I mean, it's not that bad, I guess. It's my turf. I get to make the rules here. Yeah, but for most of the time I do it the Java way, which is lowercase word, uppercase word, and no space. That's the usual rule I follow anyway. And then there's just some instance where I just do the space, which I don't know why. But since I already did it for some of the files, I try to keep it consistent with what type of script I'm writing. So why does velocity... Why does it call this twice? It shouldn't happen because it's not jumping. It requires the parent body is on floor, but it's not on floor. You can embed multiple size into one icon. I don't know that. What the fuck just happened? I should make the flash to be local core. Yeah, there we go. Much better. Is it jumping twice? It looks like it's jumping twice. Hold on. It should only be jumping once. Let's see. Print. Jump once. Hold on. Select output. It caught twice. What? How? What? Wait, how? How? I was right, it did jump twice. But how? Do you really use PNG for the rank letters? Yes. Why not? Why not? It's custom font, I guess. I drew that shit myself. I mean, I can't be worse than Toby Fox. Work smarter, not harder, I guess. I mean, it's actually harder, not smarter, because the smarter way is to, yeah, just use the in-game text, but I'm working harder because I want custom font for my shit. Well, specifically for the rankings. What exactly is HoloQ? No need to question it. It's a random name that I chose because this is a Hololive fan game, and it was supposed to be like an Ultra Kill type of game, but I changed it to Ultra Idol because it sounds better. But yeah. But now like some of my fucking promotional stuff is HoloKill, so I need to like I actually already changed the name, so it shouldn't be a problem now. What am I doing? What am I doing? I should have probably encrypt my game because who knows, people might steal my game. Do you build your own dialogue system? No, I got that off Asset Store, or not Asset Store, Library. It's here. I'm not that smart, bro. I'm not that smart. I made my own user interface system, you know, the one that I told you about, the menu screen and all that stuff, the complicated shit. I made that by myself, but not a dialogue. No, don't give me, that's no fun for people like me. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Besides, I can always provide proof that I'm the first one to make the game, so you know, it's not really a problem. But then, I don't know, it can be one of those situations where like the popular kid just repeats the joke but louder and everyone laughs and then I get no credit. Who knows? Who knows? So it's called to jump twice. Why is it jumping twice? This unlock is not that. Oh yeah. It's not actually in game. You must at least see the conversation. You must. Yeah. Lower activation. A part of the gaming stage will play this month. Prepare fans for releasing this new shake along with new player all around. So please information. Currently needs some time to draw a cool new player. Anyway, this series is not complete. You take a look. What's your eye? Real. I didn't. Did I not update my itch page? There's no way. I forgot to now you say that I forgot to update my itch page. Fuck. Hold on. Hold on. Edit. Did I not? Or did you look through my older videos? I think you looked through my older videos. Okay, yeah, you looked through my older videos. Alright. Alright. No more distraction. Time to dash. I'm just looking through the dialogue for the right. Oh, okay. Makes sense. They come to the latest folder. Right. Latest version. Wait, did I not update my fucking let me see. Shit. Take a look on a no value. What? Wait, what? It's part 2D. Okay, we got 2D. What script is this? It's not projectile, is it? It's projectile. Why is this in projectile again? Shame when you're not updating for Go 4.6. Only that's completely normal. I don't know. I'm not in Godot dev. I mean, I'm coding on Godot 4.6 right now. The last update it was on Godot 4.5, so I haven't updated the game because fucking Terraria and all that shit. Oh god, it's so bright. You're finally awake. Hey, you're finally awake. Alright, that's enough. Huh. So, regarding Flare. Okay, back to Flare. Hair body, okay, yeah, it's not heavy shooting. Print, shoot. Not print, not pass this or this. Let's check this again. Jump one, shoot, jump one, shoot, jump once. So it is calling this function. Should it call a special attack? Wait. Have I been doing this shit wrong? Special attack. Heavy shot. Else every shot true. I've been doing it wrong. Hold on. Jump. Every shot count. Special attack. I can't. Oh right. Also time to dash. I can't set time to dash to 0. I have to. Oh, okay. Jumping and not attacking. And not... Oh, you know what? Not attacking. Okay. That should be it. Oh my god. It's jumping twice. Geez, you were right. Wow. What do you mean I was right? Right about what? I tried to build it and got so many errors. It still launches, but man. Like I said, it's built on toothpicks and bubblegums. It's literally built on toothpicks and bubblegums. Okay, Counter dash, what about city? Can I do city like this? No, it calls twice. Why is it calling twice? It shouldn't be calling twice. I can... You know what? I can lower the jump by half as a workaround. But, you know, it's not optimal, I guess. I can do a special attack. Sorry, true. I can do a second the graph files and then parent body dot velocity equal vector 2 dot 0. I've only been coding for 3 years, so I can also inflate. No. Okay, this is better. Jump, not jump back, jump up. No. If it's within special shoot, freeze targets, shoot, crit arrow, freeze target, mid-air flip. Hold on. Shoot, triple shoot, special shoot, special attack. That's equal 64. I'll do 16. I'll do negative 16. So it's over. Whoa. Oh, you know what? After shooting, okay, so after special attack, right? These targets for shoot count, and then time to dash is 0. Time to dash is 0. I can make time to dash an export variable. Export variable so that when I'm done shooting within the animation, so shoot like this, I can call not function and call a property within this, and time to dash float. No, don't do that. Don't do that actually. Am I tripping? Wait, I thought the solution was good. So it's gonna, after shooting, it's gonna check if it's on floor. If it's not, then it dashes to ground. Hold on. 2 dash around. After it shoots, then it automatically dashes to ground. I can do phone check mid air, I guess. If parent body dot is on floor. If not parent body is on floor, then time to dash equals 0. That should be it. That's like a waste of 3 lines, but you know what? It's fine. It's not that big of a deal in the grand scheme of things. So I can go over here, inserts, check mid-air, remove this function. Now that's not supposed to happen. I can reuse this. F not phase 2. That's if not, I sound for. Right. Do this. Hold on. There's a bit of glitch right there. Why is it doing that? Oh yeah, both version of prop folder and prop sprite folder. That was a mistake. I was gonna delete that, but then I got lazy. If you encrypt Ultra Idol, I will cry. I like making people cry. look on some sexy woman on Twitter. Hot anime girls. I want to look up on some hot anime girls on Twitter. It looks so good. Wow. Wow, hot anime girls. Okay. Break's over. If not Paramount is on floor, then do this. Otherwise, what? Otherwise, what? Huh. No. This is like one of like the more complex boss. I mean, it better be fucking complex. It's a fucking final boss of chapter 1. If not jumping, everybody is on floor. Yeah, this works. And then yeah, this works. I love how in group icon there's a node called icon and its only node is called icon 2. I think that's one of like the that's like one of those things that's like already provided to you, and I just never deleted it. Like I said, a lot of stuff in my game don't make sense, but they never get to see the light of day, so it doesn't matter. No one's gonna see it, unless it's people like you, and then you can like make fun of me all you want, but like it's just funny, but that's all about it. Okay, shit. It's been fucking half an hour and I still can't fix this fucking bug. Oh my god. I've been talking. I've been yapping. So, jump 1, special attack. After that, idle? No. Okay, you know what? If I can do, what is jumping false? Family gravity false. And body position. If you want to know that bug, write me a pseudocode. How if I know. You don't even get to see this fucking, or if you're writing this in code, like how do you even get this fucking anime? It's not even updated yet. The update hasn't been released, so you don't have the file. Not affecting heavy shooting. When in doubt, just print this shit out, man. If on wall. Okay, if not dashing, not jumping back, not attacking, not jumping. If paramodies on the floor, idle is true. Print idle. Okay, it is idling. That's good. It's idling. But now what? It's idling. It should be calling the next thing. So cycle, right? Cycle. If idle, then CD minus delta. Print CD. Okay, oh fuck, hold on. Level -5. city is decreasing. That's good. Is city less than equal to 0? Parent body Y. Gravity equals false. Print picking move. It's not picking any move. Okay, what's the problem? It is idling. Print idle city. Okay, idle true, city true, so that means this, so that means parent body. Huh. Position y minus. Okay, what if I do this? Greater than. So it's supposed to be less. What the fuck? Why is my math wrong? Okay, that means I can do, I don't know, 128 minus plus 32, that's 160. I can do 160. Okay, so it was just math problem. That's perfect. The only problem now is the blur, which I can set this to 4. It's working! Oh my god! It's actually working. Oh my god. I think that's it for Flare's attack anyway. Next time I need to implement her death. Okay, yeah. Next time I need to implement her death animation. I can't believe it. I can't believe I've been moving that fast. Despite all that, I won't be able to, like, yeah. Okay, so I got some goals I can, you know what, let's write some goals. Actually, let me double check if my assignment hasn't been turned in yet, because I'd be so because I'm fucking paranoid, because I spent so much time on that fucking project, man, and if I ended up being late, that's like 20% subtracted off my goddamn assignment. Yippee! Oh my god, it's Zanvi! I'm about to I'm about to end this, but okay, I need to show you what I got. Hold on. I need to check if my assignment is, yes, my assignment is submitted. It is submitted and readable. Okay. Okay. Perfect timing because I was about to end that shit, but oh god. Let me show you what I got. So I made a boss. Been lurking while I work. Thanks for lurking. Show, yes. It feels underwhelming because like there's no music or anything, but I made pretty much most of like the attack already, so actually it's better if I remove the hitboxes so you see everything. There we go. It's pretty basic. There's also a phase 2 which everything is on fire, I guess. Oh my god, wait. Okay, I can do this. Easy fight, easy fight. She has like 3 attacks, or she has like 4 attacks, I guess. Yeah, and then phase 2 is when everything is lit on fire. And then the fire sticks to walls and stuff, like, oh my god. A bunch of fucking math went into this. So much math went into this. I had to relearn trigonometry. I had to relearn trigonometry for the fucking fire, or no, I had to relearn trigonometry so that she can aim at me correctly. But yeah, let me delete that shit. Oh god. The curse of being a small time VTuber. Okay, so the longer this fight goes on, the buggier it gets, I guess. I need to fix that somehow. But that's next week's problem, I guess. Right, and there's also this bunch of particles. Neat actually helps me with like choosing the sound for the arrow, so that's cool. Okay, bug. What's the fucking bug? That's so fair. Ha. It's cool. Thank you. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's not, or the animation is not as good as I hoped it would be because I'm the one who drew it, so I have a habit of just cutting corners. So yeah, it doesn't look as good as I wanted it to be because, you know, I'm the one who draws it and I got all the stuff going. Like I've been wanting to draw Yuri and stuff, so I don't have time to like draw spikes. But that's besides the point. I need to go find someone already. Yeah, it's 11:46. I need to wake up early tomorrow, so that means I need to spend some time doing something tonight. Holy shit, Sky is playing Geometry Dash. No way. But you can follow up the art leader. That's true. Let's go, Red Sky. He's playing Geometry Dash. No way. We can play multiplayer and shit. Raid. Sky. Alright. Tomorrow I'm working, so I won't be here. I try to come back on Wednesday. I think I got work Thursday. Let me double check my schedule. I don't have a set schedule. I just kind of stream whenever I want, which is whenever I'm free. Dream was good. Love hitting on the call. I'll see you again soon. Thanks for stopping by. I got work on Friday. Wow. And Thursday. Thursday, Friday, Sunday. Holy shit. Thursday, Friday, Sunday. So I can only stream on Wednesday and Saturday. Oof. It is what it is. Alright, I'm gonna need to improve on this. Yeah, and then I don't know. My plan for next stream, I have no idea. Maybe keep working on my game, or I don't know. I need to polish a lot of stuff. There's a lot of work to do. Anyway, that's about it. I will see you Wednesday. Save! Ha! Yeah, that's for my art stream. Good night.